So today we're going to use a combination of the area model and our place value discs to divide 96 divided by 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my dividend, which is 96. And I notice that it is 2 digits. So when I make my area model, I need to have 2 parts for my tens and my ones. And I'm dividing it by 4, so I'm going to put my 4 on the side, similar to when we do our multiplication, because really we're figuring out 4 times what is going to get us 96. So I'm going to create 96 in my area model with my place value disc. So I notice that there are 9 tens. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 tens there, and then I have 6 ones. So I'm going to grab my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we divide, we're creating equal groups. We're splitting up this 96 into equal groups of 4. So I'm going to go to my tens first, and I'm going to see how many equal groups of 4 I can make. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 equal groups. So at the top here, I know I could make 2 equal groups of my tens. Now this right here, this 10, I cannot fit into another group of 4, so I'm going to regroup it and move it over to my ones place. I'm going to regroup it for 10 ones. So I'm going to put this one back and get 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now in my ones, over here I have 12 ones. I had 2, I had 6, sorry, I brought over 10, so now I have 16 ones. So I'm going to go over and circle groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was able to make 4 groups of my ones. Since this 2 is in the tens place, I can write it as 20. Add my answers together, and that gets me 24.